Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to show when your friends come online on your PlayStation 5. So if you go to your game base right here, you can go to your friends list. But when you do this, you can see when people are online, but you can't see when they actually pop up and come online. So you have to check this every time, which it gets annoying. What we want to do is go up to settings right here, and then we want to go down to notifications. And under here we can go to where it says when friends go online. And we have always show. Just make sure these are checkmarked. Now if you don't want to see your friends pop up when they come online during like videos or broadcasts or during games, you can uncheck mark it right here. Then we want to go into friends that notify you. And then we can turn it on for specific friends. So if we want to see when this friend comes online right here, just check mark their name, and every time they come online there'll be a giant pop-up somewhere on the screen and you'll see when they come online right away. And just go through your entire friends list, otherwise you can search at the top. This makes it very convenient. This will also reflect on the PlayStation app on your phone too. So if you have that, you'll get notifications in the background. And sometimes I'll just turn it off on my PlayStation, but leave it on my phone. So like if I'm doing texting or something, I will disable all the messages on my phone, and then I'll just see everything together on the app. So it works well. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.